Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement a stamina system. So you can see a number is being printed in the left side, and if I sprint you can see that number is reducing. So that actually represents the stamina level, and if it goes to 0 we can't sprint anymore. But if I stop working, now you can see stamina is increasing. So again I can sprint. So at the moment I haven't implemented the stamina bar in the HUD to represent its stamina level yet. I will work on that later. For now I'm gonna focus on how to implement the stamina depletion and regeneration part. Right, so at the moment the character can sprint as much as he need, so there is no limit to the sprint. There is no stamina bar or anything. So as long as I keep shift pressed, character will be running. So I want to prevent that. Let me get some space here to run around and put the character over here, so we have enough space to run. Right, now let's go to the base character, ALS base character. Okay, so where is sprint happen at the moment? Toggle sprint, okay, here. But this is desired gate, not the actual gate. That means here, let me make a print a string, and if here I can sprint, you can see a sprinting appears in the top left. But if I am in the aiming mode, even if I press shift, the sprinting does not happen. So even though I set the desired gate here, the actual gate must be set in somewhere else. So there is another variable called allowed gate. Here it is calculated here. So where is this? So get allowed gate function, it's like this. If only if we can sprint, sprinting is returned. So where is this update allowed gate is called? Oh, it's called in the tick. Alright, so let me just make a print here. Just to see if this is get printed in every tick. Yeah, it does. Okay, wait, why sprinting is not printed? Alright, for other characters. Okay, so to filter this for the player, let me just add a branch and is player controlled. Right, now we only see that printed for the player. Great. So now the next challenge is, in order to implement stamina, so we already have this moment settings structure. Oh, maybe we should not put our stuff here. Let me create another blueprint, another structure. Stamina data. Okay, first one, stamina level should be a float, and another variable, max stamina level. Stamina, oh, these should be floats. Depletion rate. So this would be stamina depletion rate for sprinting. And if we need, I am planning to implement a system to regenerate stamina also. So stamina regen speed. Why is it? Okay. Now let me add this and moment system variable stamina data. It should be in the type stamina data. I'll put it under moment system, and let's set the values. This should be current stamina level. I'll make it 100, and max stamina level also 100. Depletion rate, let me set to 1, and regeneration speed 0.2. Well, for the moment I'm not, first I'm going to implement this stamina depletion only. So here, and update character moment, and get allowed gate here. Every time I return the allowed gate as a sprinting, no, let's add another function. Update stamina level. Alright, so we can get allowed gate, and we'll switch. If we are sprinting, we can get stamina data, split, get the current stamina level, and subtract the stamina depletion rate, and set member stamina level with the result of this. So here I have planned this in between 0 and max stamina level. Right now, here when we get an allowed gate in the can sprint, here we have to check the stamina level. Get stamina data, split. Wait, can't we get over only the points we need? Okay. Yeah, otherwise when it was search, it would be hectic. If this is larger than 0, we can sprint. Otherwise we can't. Right now, hold on. Let's print the stamina level for our reference, and that should be done. Should do it here. Update stamina. Now level. So now if everything is correct, I should not be able to sprint infinitely. Okay, that was very short actually. See, right, so I think I should reduce the depletion rate. Okay, now no more. Right, but after a while I still should be able to sprint. So let's implement a stamina regeneration mechanism also. And where should I do that? Of course here. So if we are stamina regen running, and another one regen working. So the reason is, if I am working, the regeneration speed should be faster compared to running. So here, if we can add this one or this one. So let's do a select based on the allowed gate. So if it is working, if it is running this, if it is working, this value. And then just like here, we need to clamp in between the 0 and max stamina level and set the same stamina level variable in this structure. Right, let me print it again. Did I add set values? I don't think so. Running point 2, working, I'll make it 0.5. Okay. Oh wait, why it's not reducing? Sorry, it's not just printed for the player. Okay, now you can see it's reducing, and if I stop, you can see it's increasing. Great. So now we can't continuously sprint infinite and infinite time, which is good, but if we fully deplete our stamina level, oh, we are still sprinting. Right, I know what happens here. Basically, when the stamina level goes to 0, our allowed gate becomes running, and when running we have 0.1, 0.2 regeneration rate, which is faster than this depletion rate, so we can continuously keep sprinting, which is a bad thing. Let's try this approach, but still this will not solve completely. No. How is it possible? What if I make this 0? Right. Okay. Now only if I stop, it should regenerate. Oh wait, still not regenerating, because even though I'm not moving, I am still in the running mode. So we can do something like this. Get velocity. Get vector length. Vector length. And check if it is greater than some value, let's say 20. So that means character is moving. And have a branch. So what this does is, if this is false, that means character is not moving. So no matter what, stamina should be regenerated with the rate of walking. Okay, so let me promote this to macro. Update stamina M. Right, we can get the max also from here. So we can get rid of this max input parameter. I'll name this change as delta. Okay, so now this should be for walking, and we should have another stamina update macro for running. And if we are not moving, that means this false. Stamina should be regenerated just like it is running. Walking. Let's check now. Okay, so if I stop moving, you can see stamina is regenerating. Great. So the function is complete. I'm gonna stop this episode right here. In the next time, I'm going to implement a stamina bar, so that in the HUD player can see the remaining stamina level and how it changes according to the player activities. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.